The world is changing, one electric mile at a time. Every day, more electric vehicles hit the roads, marking a significant shift in our transportation landscape. Electric cars, once a futuristic fantasy, are now a familiar sight on our roads. They have transitioned from concept to reality, becoming an integral part of our daily commute. Silent, sleek, and powered by electricity, they represent a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation. These vehicles are not just about getting from point A to point B, they symbolize innovation and progress. Gone is the roar of the combustion engine, replaced by the gentle hum of an electric motor. This quiet revolution is transforming our urban soundscapes. No more exhaust fumes choking the air, just the promise of a cleaner, greener future. The environmental benefits are undeniable, contributing to clearer skies and healthier cities. The electric car revolution is here, and it's gathering speed. With advancements in technology and infrastructure, the adoption rate is accelerating. More and more people are ditching their gas guzzlers for the allure of electric. The convenience of home charging and the reduction in fuel costs are compelling reasons. Why? The answer is a mix of environmental awareness, economic benefits, and the sheer thrill of driving a cutting-edge machine. The advanced features and smooth driving experience are hard to resist, but are electric cars truly the future of transportation, or is this just a passing fad? Only time will tell, but the momentum suggests a lasting impact on how we move. Governments around the world are placing their bets on electric vehicles. Recognizing the urgent need to combat climate change and reduce air pollution, they are implementing ambitious policies to phase out fossil fuel vehicles. From tax breaks to subsidies, charging infrastructure investments to emission regulations, governments are pulling out all the stops to accelerate the transition to electric mobility. Countries like Norway are leading the charge, with electric cars already making up a significant portion of new car sales. The message is clear: the era of the internal combustion engine is coming to an end. While the timeline may vary, the direction is undeniable. Governments are betting big on electric, and this top-down push is creating a ripple effect throughout the automotive industry. No conversation about electric cars is complete without mentioning Tesla. The brainchild of Elon Musk, Tesla has become synonymous with electric vehicles, pushing the boundaries of technology and design. From the sleek Model S to the futuristic Cybertruck, Tesla has captured the public imagination and ignited a passion for electric driving. But Tesla is not alone. Established automakers from Volkswagen to General Motors are investing heavily in electric vehicles, eager to claim their share of this rapidly growing market. The competition is fierce, and that's good news for consumers. As automakers strive to outdo each other, we are witnessing a golden age of electric car innovation, with each new model boasting longer ranges, faster charging times, and increasingly sophisticated features. The question on everyone's mind: can electric cars truly replace our beloved gas guzzlers? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. Electric cars have come a long way, but challenges remain. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery before reaching a charging station, is a common concern. However, battery technology is rapidly improving, with many new models boasting ranges of over 300 miles, comparable to many gasoline-powered vehicles. Charging infrastructure is another hurdle, particularly in areas with limited access to public charging stations. However, governments and private companies are investing heavily in expanding the charging network, making it easier than ever to fuel up your electric car. The electric perks clean air and cash savings. Electric cars offer a compelling array of benefits, making them an attractive choice for modern drivers. First and foremost, they are significantly better for the environment than their gasoline-powered counterparts. With zero tailpipe emissions, electric cars reduce air pollution and contribute to a healthier planet. This means cleaner air for everyone. But the benefits don't stop there. Electric cars also offer a more enjoyable driving experience. Electric cars are also cheaper to operate, which can lead to significant savings over time. Electricity is typically less expensive than gasoline, allowing you to save on fuel costs. And electric cars require less maintenance thanks to fewer moving parts and simpler engines. This means saving you money on fuel and upkeep costs in the long run, making it a smart financial choice. Add to that the quiet, smooth ride and instant torque of an electric motor, which enhances the driving experience. And it's easy to see why so many people are making the switch to electric vehicles. Electric cars are not just good for the environment, they're also good for your wallet and your driving experience. Embrace the future of driving today. Range anxiety and the charging conundrum. Despite their many advantages, electric cars still face some hurdles on the road to mainstream adoption. Range anxiety, while lessening, remains a concern for some potential buyers. Long road trips, especially in areas with limited charging infrastructure, can still pose a challenge. The availability and speed of charging stations are also crucial factors. While public charging networks are expanding, they still lag behind the ubiquity of gas stations. And while fast charging stations can replenish batteries in minutes, most home charging solutions require several hours to fully charge an electric car. These challenges are not insurmountable, but they highlight the need for continued investment in battery technology and charging infrastructure to make electric cars a truly viable option for everyone. The battery revolution powering the future. The heart of any electric car is its battery, and this is where we are seeing some of the most exciting advancements. Battery technology is evolving at a rapid pace, with researchers constantly pushing the boundaries of energy density, charging speed, and lifespan. New battery chemistries, such as solid-state batteries, promise even greater energy storage capacity, faster charging times, and improved safety. These next-generation batteries could be a game-changer, extending the range of electric cars and addressing one of the key concerns of potential buyers. As battery technology continues to improve and costs continue to decline, we can expect to see even more impressive electric car ranges and shorter charging times in the near future. Section 8. Self-driving cars, a science fiction reality. Self-driving cars, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Tesla's Autopilot system, while not yet fully autonomous, is a prime example of the rapid progress being made in autonomous driving technology. With advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence, self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are virtually eliminated and commutes become a time to relax or catch up on work. While fully autonomous vehicles are still some years away, the technology is advancing rapidly, and we can expect to see increasingly sophisticated driver assistance features become commonplace in the coming years. Section 9. The connected car, merging transportation and technology. Electric cars are not just about electric motors and batteries, they are also becoming increasingly connected. With advanced infotainment systems, internet connectivity, and over-the-air software updates, electric cars are blurring the lines between transportation and technology. Imagine a car that can automatically find and navigate to the nearest charging station, update its software overnight, and even learn your driving habits to optimize energy consumption. The connected car is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a reality that is transforming the driving experience. As electric cars become more connected, they will not only enhance our driving experience, but also pave the way for new mobility solutions such as ride-sharing and autonomous taxi services. Section 10. The road ahead, challenges and opportunities. The road to an electric future is not without its bumps. Challenges remain in terms of battery range, charging infrastructure, and the affordability of electric vehicles, particularly for budget-conscious consumers. However, the opportunities are immense. The transition to electric mobility has the potential to create new jobs, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and create a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come. Overcoming these challenges will require collaboration between governments, automakers, and consumers. But if we can successfully navigate the road ahead, the future of transportation will be electric, sustainable, and exciting. Section 11. Electric Dreams, a glimpse into the future of transportation. Imagine a world where the air is clean, cities are quieter, and transportation is sustainable. Picture a place where the hum of engines is replaced by the gentle whir of electric motors, and the skies are free from pollution. This is the promise of the electric car revolution, a movement that aims to transform how we move and live. While challenges remain, such as the need for better infrastructure and more efficient batteries, the future of transportation is undoubtedly electric. As battery technology continues to improve, charging infrastructure expands, and the cost of electric vehicles becomes more accessible, we are on the brink of a major shift. We can expect to see a dramatic shift towards electric mobility in the coming years, with more and more people opting for electric vehicles. By 2030, electric cars may no longer be a novelty, but rather the norm on our roads, changing the landscape of our cities and towns. The electric car revolution is more than just about cars. It's about creating a cleaner, more sustainable future for everyone. It's about reducing our carbon footprint and preserving the planet for future generations. It's about reimagining transportation and embracing a future where technology and innovation drive us towards a brighter tomorrow. A future where our daily commutes are not just efficient, but also environmentally friendly.